how to activate your quantum field every single day. So we work with the Vesica Piscis, the 2 interlocking circles at each chakra point, starting at your root, and stay there until it's balanced. So the left side rotates clockwise, the right side anti-clockwise. Work through the chakras within the body, your third eye, the crown. If you're aware of the chakras above your head and below your feet, really activating your light body and allow your heart, Vesica Piscis, to merge with your Merkaba. So the 2 interlocking circles come out and meet in the triangle, stabilizing your field. The Vesica Piscis is the womb of creation. It is your divine feminine and masculine core. The Merkaba is your quantum vehicle, embodying more spiritual awareness, more trust in yourself, more belief. The course really allows you to stabilize every single day. It's €55. It's Handserenity.com. We've got a Telegram group. We've got an online study group. So this is the best way to activate and maintain your quantum field. I love you. Namaste.